always look for things for students, for those kids that love to fidget or they need to stay busy on the go. I found this double-sided silicone board that is definitely going to help with those tasks. It's going to be perfect for travel, tantrum control, or just sneaking in some learning through play. Why I'm obsessed with this. Number one, sensory insanity. Keeps those little fingers looping. They're going to loop this. Looping, pushing, stretching, all without noise. This is even fun for an adult. Quiet time. Keeps the child calm and occupied. You can throw this in a cute little tote and it is travel ready. Yes, you have loose parts, but no batteries, no glitter, and you do have two sides of colorful fun. This is a focus booster. You know, children that need a brain break, build fine motor skills, all without giving, you know, a real problem with electronics, no stress. This is actually fun, but it is cute, it is quiet, and this sensory board also makes the perfect classroom gift or party favor, or hey, you just survived the week. It's so fun. But this is a little treat for any kiddo who loves to stay hands-on.